Beautiful around here.
Yeah?
Hello ladies,
Should I go for the party? Everybody is just advertising parties to us. We feel like we've been swindled. People here are amazing. Good morning and welcome to day 3 of Malta. Right now I'm going to have breakfast with Sheila and we'll see what we do from there. So let's go.
I'm so shy when it comes to you, but I get.
We just had something to eat. Right now we are just walking along Baluta Bay and we are walking towards St.georges Bay. We just want to chill there till afternoon and then we go to Mdina. Let's see. We may change our mind, but we are just taking the day slowly. No rush, just enjoying the views. Hey.
Hello.
Hi.
Would you like to join for the tour? Coming and go so tomorrow, nice tour.
We did that yesterday.
Oh, another day you
Yeah.
cannot miss. Amazing Highland, Malta.
Thank you so much.
To visit.
We did that yesterday.
Do it another, do it another. The bus is here. Take advantage of the bus. Join for the tour.
Thank you. I know you.
Yes, I know.
How are you?
Fine. What about you?
I'm
What
good.
are you girls doing?
We're just exploring. This is
Alright.
Paceville, right?
Yes.
Aha.
Be careful with that shit.
Right. Am I saying it right, Paceville?
Be careful around here.
Yeah?
You know, this is like a lot of stupid people.
What's your name again?
Daniel,
Daniel.
come on, girl.
No.
Come on, girl.
Hey, you know the locals.
Bruh, I already know.
Hello, ladies. That's it. So where from, ladies? Sorry.
Huh?
Where from?
From Kenya.
Ah, from Kenya.
And you?
I'm from Italy.
Oh.
Very
We are
nice.
here in holidays, ladies. Yeah. We organize party here in Malta.
Okay.
The best boat party in Malta with open bar.
Okay.
So we have the party today and tomorrow.
Okay, that's nice.
Sea fire.
Should I go for the party?
Bye, yes, ladies. So we go, no? Party open bar. So
how
the
much is
price
this?
is 6 euros.
6 euros.
Yeah, yes.
6 euros.
Yeah.
Okay.
So what do you think? Is that a bit expensive for you?
No, it's alright. We have to think about it because we don't have so many days here. So I have with me Giuseppe. Giuseppe, right?
Yeah.
He's Italian, but he lives in Malta. He was trying to sell like party stuff to us, and now he wants to tell me more about Malta. So let me know what you have to tell us.
So guys, nice to meet you. I'm Giuseppe, but my real name is Giuseppe. My surname is Peppe Point Party. Okay. So well, yeah, I organize party here in Malta, the best boat party Malta, pool party, reggaeton party, and stuff like that.
We are in Paceville in St. Julian's, and everybody is just advertising parties to us. There's a party tonight, do you want to come? There's a party tomorrow, do you want to come? So just know, once you're in Paceville, it's a party city as I know, and this is what it's known for. So if you're the party type or you would like to have a good night, a good evening, you should make it here in Paceville. There are clubs, casinos. You would enjoy. Sheila, are we still lost?
So let me show you what I can do, 'cause I don't mind taking my time to stay in this bed now, never get out, 'cause I would love wasting time with you, baby.
After a long bus ride. Was it long? Sheila, how many minutes? Like 20 minutes? 40, yes. After 40 minutes, we make it to Rabat. No, we make it to Mdina. But then Rabat is close by, so we are walking towards the city gate right now. It's a pretty calm and quiet city or town so far.
Tell you the history of the building. And you
How
go,
much?
Comes to the price on the board. Come have a look. And you go down, have a look, take a pictures. After the whole tour, and Mdina bring you back here. It is the price for the two of you. 30,
How much?
35 together.
No, come on. It has to be 15.
No, look, come. It is any extra 15 minutes, any extra 15 minutes costs you 15 euro. And this is 30 minutes, 35, government price. You see, transport of Malta. Believe me, I give you good ride. I stop you, tell you the history, you go down, have a look inside the cabin, and still up.
Maybe.
Now this is the main gate of Mdina. It's called Vilena Gate.
Okay.
Mdina have 3 gates. Main gate, Greek and British. I'm gonna show you after. But in the oldest time, the main gate is on my right. Then the Grandmaster Vilena, they want to build the palace and move the gate in 1720. The National History Museum till 1964, when the British are here in Malta, years of years, it was a hospital. And this building you see on my left, this is the biggest palace in Mdina. It's called Iguanas, but about 60 rooms and live only one family. Still now, huh?
Somebody still lives there?
Yes, one family. Very, very rich family. Saint Agatha Chapel.
Do they have churches there? Do they have like
they make
worship there?
service in the morning, yeah.
Oh,
And this is called the convent of the nuns, St. Peter Monastery. It's a cloistered nuns, always inside, never go out. This is all private palaces, all private palaces. People in Mdina are very, very rich. And this building here, when Mdina was the capital of Malta about 500 years ago, it was a criminal court. After the court school, now it's a library.
this?
Yes, this one here. Yeah, this is the main square of Mdina, St. Paul's Square. That is the main cathedral of Malta, St. Paul St. Peter Cathedral. If you look at the clock, on the right it's a normal clock.
Okay.
Up in the middle, double cross. I will show you it's a main cathedral, because with one cross church, 2 crosses main cathedral,
Really?
2 crosses basilica.
I never knew
This
that.
cathedral building 1697, 310 years old, and the architect was Lorenzo Gaffa, and they took 5 years for a build. The palaces is here, it's all private palace. Inside Mdina live about 280 people, all Mdina, very, very rich people. And Mdina was a capital of Malta. They building many years before Valletta. Valletta about 500 years, Mdina more than 2,000 years.
Why did they move the capital?
This Medina's too small, you know. Medina's too small. This is all new pavement here. They make it about 15 years ago. And when this collaboration goes, they find another city underneath, a Roman city. And then they took many things from the need to the museums and closed everything. This is the Bastion Square, the second highest point of Malta. Up here, very beautiful view, huh? You can see 3/4 of Malta. You go have a look, I wait for you.
Okay.
It will be heaven making love with you. I would love wasting time with you, baby. Cause I know it will be heaven making love with you. Love is in the air tonight. I am yours, so hold me tight. Love is in the air tonight. Oh, love is in the air tonight. I am yours, so hold me tight. Love is in the air.
This is a cemetery under the church. St. Carmel Cemetery.
Is it open?
No, but still something still using for residents of Mdina. They open Mother's Day, Father's Day, and in November.
Okay.
Where the Game of Thrones Day shoot. And then this road. This garage is to see on my right. Before it was a stables for the horses, but the older style, but now using for the storages, no more horses. Huh? This is the British Gate.
Okay.
Mdina, what I've told you, 3 gates. Main gate where it started, British Gate, because it's opened by the British. The British stay here in Malta 200 years, till 1964. And the British, they left Malta because he doesn't want to pay the rent when you occupy the Navy. And then the Prime Minister has said, oh, pay the rent or everybody out. This is the Greek Square and the Greek Gate. More than 200 years in this house, there's a family Greek. That's why it's called Greek Square and the Greek Gate. But in the oldest time, this gate using for the communions peoples and the main gate using for the rich peoples.
Right.
And about 2,000 years ago, when the Romans are here, Mdina was 3 times more bigger. And it's called it Melita. And then when the Arabs came in Medina, making more smaller and changed the name. Melita, Medina. Medina, it's a city inside the walls.
Okay.
The Arabs stay here about 300 years. In fact, the main Maltese language mixed with Arabic 70%.
So we took the horse. And this horse, right? I mean, the whole purpose was that we have a history of Mdina because we know there are 3 gates. First of all, it's a fortified city, so it's a walled city, and we wanted to know the history of this whole place. But personally, and right now, we feel like we've been swindled because the ride just ended, and then we just went to the main gate, then the 2 other gates, and then we walked through the streets, and then we are still walking by food to go and take pictures again and see the street. So it's like, what was the reason? What was the reason? Anyway, so if you come here, just think about it, whether to take the horse ride or not. It's 35 euros. Day 3 in Malta. So far, I'm having a lovely time. It's relaxing, it's refreshing. The people here are amazing.
You want this even more, like we are soulmates, something we never felt before. Yeah, I don't mind taking my time. Let's stay in this bed now, never get out. 'Cause I would love wasting time with you, baby. 'Cause I know it will be heaven making love with you. I would love wasting time with you, baby. 'Cause I know it will be heaven making.
What's up, guys? So this is where I signed off. From Mdina, we went home to take a shower, and then we just had some dinner, and we're going back home to rest. It's around 10, almost 11. Tomorrow we have another adventure, so stick and stay. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Let me hear from you in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.